Hi, this is Stan. Welcome back this week to the Crow's Nest Railroad. Well, you can see I got the bonnet removed here on my little shunter, and I think there's just enough room up here in front of the battery for a much needed upgrade. Well, this little shunter needs a voice, so let's head back to the workshop and get started. Well, I think it's time Rodney had a horn, but I don't really want a big mega blaster, something like this. And although it's common to have automotive horns on some small locomotives, I think even that is overkill for Rodney. And I don't really want one of those tiny, puny little digital jobs. So I found something on eBay that I think will be absolutely perfect. Look at this. It's a 60s vintage bicycle horn. I think that's just going to be perfect. Look at this typical rocket styling stuff out of the 60s. It's got an old stiff wire and a push button. And it's even got a yellow and glitter aftermarket paint job. How awesome is that? So it's got a little vibrating horn here and works off a single D-cell battery. So I think this is absolutely perfect for what I need. Look at these aftermarket screws in here. This is great. Well, I'm not going to need the lid for this because it'll be in the hood. I'll save that. But I will have to mount it up high enough that I can easily mount it and change this battery when I need to. So let's start with a little piece of wood. I need about 5.5 inches tall and not quite 2 inches. So let's rip this up really quick on the table saw. Well, I started making this little wooden block, but then I changed my mind. I've got some aluminum and I think I'll just make a bracket out of this. Okay, that didn't take too long. So a couple of bolts here to mount the horn, and then a hole down here for the screw to mount it to the locomotive. Well, not much in the way of electronicals. I'm just going to add some more wire to this, cut off the old switch, and put this new switch on in the cab. Okay, that's mounted. Now I'm going to feed this wire up through the hole in the firewall here and up into the cab for the switch. Well, this is Stan saying thank you so much for watching, and I hope you can join me right here next time.